Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here with a quick video on how to stack silver for free. Yes, we're going to talk about how to stack silver for free in this quick video, so make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notifications for future videos, and comment down below what your favorite stacking metal is. Do you like to stack silver? Do you like to stack gold? Do you like to stack silver and then turn it into gold? Or do you like to stack collectible coins, junk coins, or bullion? So go ahead and let me know what your favorite stacking strategy is down in the comments. But in today's video, excuse me, we're going to talk about how to stack silver bullion for free. Okay? So let me get into it and explain how it works, because it's really easy. It's not a trick. So all you do, I don't know if you've ever heard of affiliate marketing, but basically affiliate marketing is when you can sell a product and earn a commission. So for example, I have tools in my business, okay? So like if I go to my website, okay, so for example, my website is a tool, right? Like WordPress, Wix, Squarespace. However, this tool is called HBA Funnel Builder, the Home Business Academy Funnel Builder. And so this pays 80% commissions on any sale. So it costs $25 and I make $20 per month every time I have a customer. So what that means is if I have 2 customers, I get HBA Funnel Builder for free. And I'm making a little bit of money, right? So if you earn 10% in an affiliate program and you're using the product, then you would need 10 sales to be able to get that product for free. Right? Does that make sense? And a lot of people might be able to relate to this as far as like weed. Okay, so like when you want weed and you go buy like, you know, $200 worth of weed, you want to sell like 70% of that weed for the $200 that you bought it for, and then you got a little bit left over, right? So affiliate marketing is kind of like the perfect drug dealer mentality, right? You want to get your stuff for free. You want to get your smoke for free. So what do? You go buy a bunch, you go sell a bunch, and then whatever's left over, you got like, you know, like however much, whatever, it doesn't matter. But I used to do that all the time. Everyone does that all the time. How do you get your stuff for free? Right? How do you get high for free? How do you get your weed for free? Right? How do you get silver for free? How do you start stacking silver without paying money? Right? How do you do that? How do you get the things that you use for free? And it's by being an affiliate. By being an affiliate of whatever programs you're selling or whatever tools you use. It's a great way. So the best way to start stacking free silver is to actually be a part of Quicksilver Wealth Accelerated. And let me explain to you how this works. Basically, you are an affiliate of Quicksilver Wealth Accelerated. And then also, your team and their team and their team will also be an affiliate. So in affiliate marketing, you're going to earn a direct commission. So for example, when you enroll a member, okay, scroll down. Whenever someone buys this right here, you earn $1 per month per coin. Okay, so when someone buys 10 coins per month, you earn $10 per month. Okay, when someone buys this right here, you're going to earn $40. Okay, so why is that important? It's because when we go back here and we scroll down, did you know you can use your commissions to pay for your monthly wealth platform, Auto Wealth Delivery, and purchase items from the shop? So basically, when you're getting silver every month, right? You're getting a coin every month. All you need to do in order to get this coin for free every month is have your auto wealth order total in commissions up here. Okay, so if I have, you know, $37 right here minimum, I'll be able to afford my silver out of my commissions, and it won't charge my bank. Okay? So that's how you get free silver. So now it's like, okay, so how easy is it to sell this thing? So like, all you got to do is get it's 10 max, right? So you just do easy math. So if you got to make $40 a month to cover your auto ship, that means you need 40 people here, or 20 people here, right? Or 10 people here, or 4 people here, right? That's it. That's all you got to do. All you got to do is just sell 40 coins per month to the people on your team, and they buy them automatically on a subscription. You don't have to resell it every month. It's not like that. But basically, you got 40 coins being bought under you every month. That's going to allow you to cover your coin every month. Okay, so you can either get 4 people on here, 20 people, 10 people on here, 20 people on here, or 40 people on here. Now, another thing that you can do is sell one of these. So one of these earns you $40. Okay, so for $40, right, you earn $40. That covers your membership. Okay, that'll cover your membership. So when we go back over to Quicksilver, it's actually really cool, because you can start stacking silver for free by not really having that many customers. So if you get 1 customer a month, that's $40 a month, right? You earn $40 out of the $159. And then anyone that's on the 1 coin, you earn $1 a month from them, okay? So if you just have 1 sale a month here, or you have a handful of people on this, right? 4 people here, 10 people here, 20 people here, and it can be a mixed match, right? Like you can have 5 people here, 1 person here, 1 person here, and then the rest here. But I'm showing you how you can actually earn free silver and start stacking silver for free. Okay, so this is how you do it. The best way to earn stuff for free is to be an affiliate and earn commissions on it, and that way you're not paying for your tool, for your business, for your silver, for your gold, or whatever you're buying through the program. Like, for example, if you drink coffee, right? There's coffee MLMs, right? There's coffee MLMs that you can go sell coffee, and now you get your coffee for free because you're making more money than you're spending on the coffee in the program, right? So this is how people get stuff for free, and you can accumulate a lot of silver, right? So you can start here at the challenge package, okay, earn $40 per sale, earn $1 per coin per month. So you can start here, and you can build up to earning, 1 sale a month. Or you can build up to getting about 31, 32 people into your team. And then that way you're getting 1 free silver coin a month. Okay, and then you can just build up from there. So you just double that. So you just do what you did times 2. Okay, and then now you're getting 2 silver coins per month for free, and you just build up and build up. So that's how to stack silver for free, or anything for free. Like if this was like Tylenol or penicillin, right? Like let's say there's a penicillin company that's selling penicillin, and they pay like 20% commissions. Well, if you got 5 people buying penicillin from you, earning 20% commissions, you're going to get penicillin for free. That's just, like, it just makes sense. Like, that's how it is. So, now, not every program will actually be cool enough to charge out of your commissions. Sometimes, most of the times, you'll put your commissions in your bank, and then this comes out of your bank account, right? So it's still earning free silver, but with Quicksilver, it actually goes a step further and will take the membership and the auto ship out of your commissions before it even charges your card. So that's really, really cool. And I believe it has to be exactly or over your amount. Like, it won't take like $5 from here and apply it to here. Like, you got to have $36.94 in your commissions for this to go through on the commission part without charging your card. But guys, that's how you earn free stuff. Okay, it's back to the how do I smoke for free mentality. Is you sell it, and then you sell it from, well, with that you sell it for more than what you bought it for, right? So that way you have left over. With this, you're going to be selling and earning a percentage, and then when you hit the 100% mark, now you get it for free, right? So again, for my funnel builder, I earn 80% commission on this tool. And I build you this funnel as well. You can check it out in the link down below. But it pays 80% commissions. So with 2 customers, I'm earning 60% profit than what I was paying. Okay? So I'm paying $25 per month. If I get 2 people on at 80% commissions, I'm making 60% profit on $25. Right? So now I'm not paying for my tool. I'm not paying for my website. I'm not paying to run a business. I'm not paying for my autoresponder. So when you enter your name and email, I have a few people signed up on my Aweber account. So now I don't pay for Aweber. Okay? I don't pay for Aweber. I don't pay for my emails. I don't pay for my website. I don't pay for anything in my business. I don't pay for anything because it's all affiliate based. So that means, well, I do pay for like 1 or 2 things, you know, but they're like $30 a month or $20 a month or whatever. But essentially, I don't pay anything for my business. Okay, I don't pay anything for my business tools, and soon, I can't say it right now, but soon I will not be paying for silver. Very soon I will not be paying for silver. So now, when I start getting free silver, I can go sell that silver at a pawn shop and turn it into dollars and start buying more advertising to build my Quicksilver Wealth Accelerated team. Okay? And start earning more money to stack more silver and upgrade my membership, right? So let's say I get up to 2 coins per month. Well, I'm going to go sell those 2 coins every month at the pawn shop, and I'm going to go turn that money into advertising solo ads so that I can increase my team and get up to 10 coins per month. When I get up to 10 coins per month, I'm going to sell all 10 of those coins every single month. Keep buying solo ads, solo ads, solo ads, solo ads. Once this business hits an income stream of like, you know, $4,000 to $5,000 a month, I'll go ahead and stop selling my silver, and I'll start to turn that silver into gold. So I'll stack like 80 to 90 silver coins, and then I will go ahead and turn those silver coins into one ounce silver, or one ounce gold coin. So I'll turn the silver into gold. So when you are stacking free silver, you have a lot of options. You can stack the silver, you can sell it for cash, you can sell it and reinvest it into ads to build your business and your team to make more money, and then you can use that to scale up and collect more silver, to sell more, to buy more ads. So like you can really, really do a lot with this. So like, for example, now that I have a free business because I'm earning commissions on it, I can build thousands of income streams from this one tool. Literally unlimited. It doesn't cost me anything to build businesses and build income streams. So eventually it will not cost me anything to have 10 ounces of silver a month. Okay? So that's what's really cool about affiliate marketing. It's called affiliate marketing. And then when you put affiliate marketing on steroids, it's called network marketing, or MLM, multi-level marketing, which means you earn from your sales, and then the people on your team that make sales, you also earn from them, right? So this is a 7-level deep MLM. So you're going to earn from people that are 7 levels below on your team, and whenever they make a sale, you actually earn a percentage of commissions. So it's leverage. MLM is actually affiliate marketing with leverage, and you're sharing the pie of revenue with multiple people. So thanks for watching this video about how to stack free silver. go ahead and click my link down below, visit my website, and you'll learn more about this opportunity and how to stack free silver. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Click the link down below.